Okay, assalamu alaikum and welcome to this video for Kaspa, and this has been a heavenly move for the past couple of days, and people think that this is the real deal, the holy grail, and it's attractive. Okay, the attraction is real. People like the coin so much at this point because a lot of people got good profits. And speaking of profit, right now what you want to do is you might want to take profits, and this is not like financial advice, but my friendly recommendation is do not enter, because the chart, I'm going to tell you the reason why and the logic for this one on the charts as well. So Kaspa, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to dive into the 4-hour time frame. But from where it started, this is legendary, okay? But I think the move is digested. It's really up like this, okay? And it's never a good idea to buy. Now, I cannot really say necessarily that you're never going to continue higher. I never know. If a bull run starts, then bull runs are crazy. They're really crazy. You never know where the coin just goes and stops. You never know. Solana went from $1 all the way to $260. No one knew, and no one could have said that that could have been a very big push to the upside. I cannot say about anything about the long term or the bull run of the coin. But the thing is, if I dive into the 4-hour time frame, I have an issue, and this is what I'm going to address. And of course, the market is pumped, and anyone knows that buying high isn't a good idea at all. Selling is a better idea. To get your profit when the market is pumped is a good idea, because that's what the smart money do. Okay, so I'm really trying to give you that knowledge that the smart money sells at this point when the market is pumped and they don't enter. So maybe FOMO at this point is not a good idea. Never ever go in for the FOMO at the moment. There are two coins I'm looking at which is creating FOMO. One is this one, and one is today's Binance coin called OG. We're going to talk about OG as well. So the thing about these are the following. You got this left shoulder head and you got the right shoulder. So I've shared this trade ID on Discord as well, and I do see that you got a neckline right over here, and you are probably even breaking the neckline at the moment. I'm just going to actually place this one right over there. So what you have to be careful is that if it breaks down, back test, and fails, you're looking for a move down, and I do probably think that a move down is going to happen, and from there to there is going to be a push to the downside, right? So this is going to be a move all the way down to 0.019, and that's going to be like a drop of nearly 32% is what we're talking about. So 32% correction could be on the rise, and if you talk about from the all-time high, that's going to be nearly 64% from the all-time high. Maybe if it does come down there, we can get a little bit of a trading as well, because it's going to be oversold. So in here, it could be time to retest things. Now what I want to do as well is go into the daily time frame and bring in the EMAs, and you can see that the EMA is actually going to be the 55 EMA. Now don't get me wrong, when you come down there, we're going to get to know if you bounce off that 55 and continue higher, or you go below the 55 and continue to correct to the downside, because it could be that you even bounce from the 55 and push even higher. So that's one thing, because this is a bull cross, and you go up and you come down for the retest, hold the EMAs, go up, come down again to the EMAs, and that's okay. That's correction. It's a part of the market, and that's going to be healthy. So that's pretty much it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this quick one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.